Hey crafty friends, as I recently told you, I'm a new design team member for Polkadoodles, a UK-based company that sells a lot of printable downloads as well as actual tangible crafty items. Their shipping is extraordinarily low. Let's see. I have my own coupon code, which is RENA20. You'll always get a discount if you use my coupon code, RENA20. And they do ship internationally, so don't worry that they're just a UK-based company. They have tons of different offers if you sign up for their mailing list. I mean, I get them a lot, and sometimes they're 30% off. They have... Tuesdays are Digi Tuesday, which you get a code for. They have information on their blog about discounts. Mainly, it's a great idea to sign up for their newsletter to get all the updated information, but I'll always give it to you in the videos as well. So definitely check them out and enjoy all the activities that they offer on their social media. So I'll link that all in the description box, and let's get started. This is the Summer Breeze kit, and I had created 11 cards. I did a separate video that'll have mermaid cards. I don't know if I'm going to do it before this one or after this one, but anyway, I loved the hot air balloon. That's really what drew me to this collection, is you get this printable hot air balloon. And I just printed 4, folded them in half, and made this dimensional balloon. I kind of popped up the bottom part with the banners, and I used a sentiment from my stash: dream higher than the sky and deeper than the ocean. And I just love it. So these are the printable, some of the printable papers you get with the collection. So you get the clouds and you get the polka dots. There's quite a few papers in this collection. Super uber cute. And that's the bottom. So I have quite a few cards. So let's get the show on the road. This is the next one. And I just used the clouds and the balloons. I love it. I think it is so super clean and cute. And you guys probably know I don't do a lot of clean and simple cards, but when you have these fabulous elements that you can use, like these balloons, they don't need a whole lot of added stuff. So dream higher than the sky and deeper than the ocean. Used the same sentiment there, and made another 3D balloon, and then I popped these up to look dimensional as well. So it looks like a whole bunch of balloons floating in the sky. All right, from the same kit, okay, all of these are from the same kit. I have this one, and I used that same die as with that other hot air balloon, only I turned it sideways. This is a Saw Crafters, and she's no longer in business, but I loved the sentiment to go with the butterflies. So this is the butterfly paper, and what I did was I printed another sheet and I fussy cut that butterfly and this butterfly out of it. My flower cluster, and then a crinkled seed-minding bow, and then I just added some twine, and then we've got that as our stopper. So that's 3 cards out of 1 kit. Here's the 4th. Really similar. I just used the polka dot craft paper in the background. This is the sentiment, one of the sentiments you get from this collection. Remember your yesterdays, dream your tomorrows, live your todays. And same thing, fussy cut butterflies out of the butterfly sheet, flowers, and we pop up like that. So that is the 4th card. Let's get a couple more. All right, let's see what you think of this one. This one, you get this amazing background. I love that background. And I just used a little tilde, colored her up, and she's sitting on the beach with her feet in the water. I added the rosette trim to make it look more, you know, flowy like water. I liked it. And then I had wanted to stamp Fun in the Sun on the actual paper, and I forgot. So I stamped it on more cloud paper and then popped it up. So this entire image comes, and you can print it any size you want, really small to really big. I think this I printed as a 5x7. And she pops up like that. All right, we've got a ways to go. We still got more. So this is this boat, and the little frame around it also comes in this collection. And I printed several of them, and I did some fussy cutting and popped, paper piece, popped this up, popped up the little flag. And then I used a sentiment, life's at ease with an ocean breeze. Because the boat was red, and I had this red anchor in my stash, I thought that looked really cute. And you can see the pattern on the flag matches this pattern here. And this one pops up like that. I like how that looks. Really simple, really clean and simple. But a nice card to give a gentleman, I think. So we got that. And then I created two really clean and simple cards. There's this one. And again, I popped up and paper pieced the ship, boat, whatever. Twine bow, a little anchor hanging here. And then this just opens like that. And then very similar with this one. This one's Let Your Dreams Set Sail. And I used I call it a ship steering wheel. There's a name for it, but anyway. Paper piecing again. And it opens the same as the other. So there you go. That is a large group of cards that I created using the Summer Breeze kit. Do not forget, I will put my coupon code in the description box down below for 20%. Be sure to sign up for the email newsletter, and always all kinds of discounts and fun stuff to play with. Now, one thing that I get often asked very frequently is, how many times can I use the kit? Once you purchase the kit to use, you can use it as many times as you like. So don't worry about that. And printing digital kits is super easy, guys. You know that I am not super computer savvy, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. I apologize for the snoring in the background. That is my Cocker Spaniel Rizzo. And I hope you guys have a happy, scrappy day. Be sure to check out the links in the description box down below. Bye.